enjoying a fire tonight. It is so cold outside. Hey, Mia, come over here in the picture. Come here, Mia. Where are you? There you are. Hi, my puppy. Well, get back up. Back up. Where's Quackers? Where's Quackers? Oh, now she's gonna go get Quackers. There's Quackers. You gonna play with Quackers? Get Quackers. Go ahead. Drop it. Come on, Mia. Come on. Drop it. Is that your toy? She loves Quackers. Yeah, Mom's no fun just sitting here, huh? You already bit the squeaky toy out of it, didn't you? Mia. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Mama loves you. You gonna get Quackers? Get Quackers. Go ahead. Pick them up. Get them. Get Quackers. She's like, what are you talking about? Yeah, I'm taking a picture of you.